everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, then welcome. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a cleaning video instead of a vlog, just because I had so much cleaning to get done, and it's kind of an all-day video. You can see here in the morning I'm working on my bed, and then later on in the evening cleaning up after the day.
Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level.
Is anyone else such a perfectionist? I mean, how many times have I gone back and forth trying to straighten out the sides?
Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
I wanted to share this neat little hack with you. I just got this vacuum and I figured out where the filter is. So I love adding oils to my filters on my vacuums because it makes it smell so good while you're vacuuming, as opposed to like all the dirt and dust that you're vacuuming up. And if you guys want information about the oils that I'm using, then I'm going to leave that down in the description box below. I absolutely love these. Also, I have an Instagram account dedicated specifically to my oils. So if you're not following me on my main or on this one and you want to learn more, then go follow me over there. So here is my mess from the day. Also, as you can see, I'm not entirely done with my kitchen, and I'm just waiting on one more thing, so I'll be showing that to you guys really soon. But that's why it's kind of halfway done, and you can see like the bare wall behind the sink. Every night when I make dinner, I make a little bit extra. That way my husband has something to take to work with him the next day, so that's what you see me doing here.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall,
So in case you guys couldn't tell by the amount of dishes I have piled up, it is my least favorite chore to do, so I think that's why I probably leave it all till the end of the day. I do try to clean up as I go, but it's just not my favorite thing to do. What is your guys' least favorite chore to do around the house? Let me know in the comments below.
was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah. 'Cause I'm the winner, yes. Am I awake or am I dreaming? So far gone, I won't look back. And when I move, there ain't no stopping me. You're pushing me up to the top.
Again, you see me using my oils here. I know, shameless plug, right? But I actually do use them for everything, all day, every day in my house. So I was just setting my diffuser up. That way I have something nice smelling in my kitchen after washing all the dishes. I love using lavender and citrus fresh. I think it just smells so good and clean.
Push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You cut me loose. You make me win in every way. Win in every way. You show me how to spread my wings.
Do you guys ever turn around after washing the dishes and realize there's one dirty dish left? I just had that moment.
You make me win in every way. You show me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah. 'Cause I'm the winner, yes. 'Cause I'm the winner, yeah, yeah, yeah.
This cleaner that I'm using for the Stovetop was one that was recommended when I bought my new stove, but I don't really love it. It just smells like really chemically. What do you guys use to clean your stovetop with? Something that's preferably a little bit more natural.
Not sure I'm ever surprised. You got me fooling round and now you're honesty. Don't think you got the concept right. Double moral bitterness is not my time, but still it kinda works on you. You got me paper thin, doing concrete face, stopping romance in the madness. You got me good, baby, keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I think you're addicted to drama. It keeps you sleeping at night. Keep losing your shit on my problems. You know that something ain't right. Blaming me for causing your insanity. I'm pretty sure you're born like this. Talk before you think it's your original touch, but I guess it kinda works on you.
This section of my kitchen always ends up with the most random things. I don't know how, I don't know why, but I find myself having to put toys away or just anything. It's kind of our catch-all place. Wouldn't it just be so awesome if we could all make dishes disappear this quickly?
You already messed it up. I know that you know it. You already messed it up. You got me paper thin, doing concrete things, driving romance in a madness. You got me good, baby, keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, then don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.